Well, hello there. I'm Hearty Jeff. And when I'm having that big day on the bayou and my belly starts rumbling and rising, I like to reach for a can of Hearty Jeff 2 Alarm Chili. It's got all the vitamins and nutrients and big Southern Creole cooking that you need to get through whatever 2 alarm day you having. And people seem to ask me, Hearty Jeff, what is it about your chili that make it 2 alarm? And I say, ain't none of your damn business. So come on down to the grocery store and get yourself a can of Hearty Jeff 2 Alarm Chili. The first alarm come after the first bite, and the other alarm come about 20 minutes later. So come on down to the bayou. Bye, y'all.